Welcome to the BookAMed OET series. Today, we are here with a tip about the effective use of relative clauses in your OET writing. Let's start by understanding what relative clauses are and how they can enhance your writing. Relative clauses provide additional information about a noun in a sentence. These clauses begin with relative pronouns like who, which, that, whom, or whose, or relative adverbs such as when, where, or why. They seamlessly merge two pieces of information into a single sentence, adding depth and context. Consider this: the patient who was admitted yesterday is recovering well after the surgery. Now, why should you use relative clauses in your letter? What are its advantages? Relative clauses augment your content by offering extra insights about a noun. They steer clear of repetition by allowing you to refer to a noun without restating it. Context becomes crystal clear, ensuring your reader follows your writing effortlessly. They introduce variety into sentence structures, maintaining reader engagement. Most importantly, they help you present information in a structured and cohesive manner. Enhance your writing prowess with relative clauses, and stay tuned to the BookAMed OET series for more valuable tips. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookamed.com, and we will call you.